I'm thinking back on all those times when I felt closed off from all that I could become. Eager but too scared to climb. Wanted to please my friends, but it felt like the end of myself. I was shut down and all drained out. I was lost, so I had to change. Yeah, I shook off all the bad vibes, cut me loose from the pettiness they turned on me. But now I am perfectly free to be me. This is who I am. This is who I am now. No matter what they say, this is who I am. This is who I am now. They think that I have lost my mind, that I'm not being true, but they don't have a clue. 'Cause this is me when I cut out all of the shallowness and everything I suppressed to fit in a small frame. But I won't play your game anymore, so I had to change. Yeah, I shook off all the bad vibes, cut me loose from the pettiness they turned on me. But now I am perfectly free to be me. This is who I am. This is who I am now. No matter what they say, this is who I am. This is who I am now.
If you're looking for even more couponing deals to help out your family, check out the comments down below for information for a 1-week free trial for my $5 a month Patreon membership. You'll gain access to my complete couponing deals list, which on average has 100 to 130 couponing deals for all the major categories that you're wanting to stock up on. Things like cleaning supplies, laundry, Gain, diapers, I got all of it. So if you're interested, make sure you check it out down below in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Join my LoveLiveSave couponing community. I post a lot of deal videos every week to help you save a lot of money and really maximize your savings. Click on the notification bell as well. That way, whenever I do post these deal videos or I do one of my fun couponing after dark live chats, you'll receive a notification. You will not miss out, and I will see you in the next video.